Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Luevrianus PASINGKI SOLLU. My major nautical department level 2. I'm from AIPI Makassar and this is my friend.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SAHRUL. My major nautical level 2. I'm from AIPI Makassar.
Good evening. How may I help you?
Have you got any rooms?
Yes, single, double, or twin.
Single, please.
Would you like a room with a bed or a shower?
Just a shower will do.
Room 319, that will be $600, including breakfast. How long will you stay?
Just a couple of nights. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is from 7 to 9.
Good evening. How may I help you?
Have you got any room?
Yes, single, double, or twin.
Single, please.
Would you like a room neck and shower or a bed?
Just a shower will do.
Room 319, that will be $600 a night included breakfast. How long will you be staying?
Just a couple of nights. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast in from 7 to 9.